Hi, Lynn Snyder Getz. I'm here with Guy Peters, who's the founder and owner of a company called Mop Stars, and that's an interesting name. Guy, what kind of business is that?
House cleaning.
House cleaning. And why house cleaning?
Well, I picked a business where I thought we would get clients the old-fashioned way. So there's not a lot of technology involved with it, but
Okay.
get a client, do a good job, keep a client.
And how did you happen on your from your background to housekeeping?
Well, I wanted to do something that was going to help people. I also wanted to do something where I could hire people.
Hmm.
And from a house cleaning perspective, I always thought that people have a hard time finding good quality cleaning companies that they can count on over time.
Hmm.
So that's what we do.
Okay. And how long have you been in business?
8 years.
Has it been that long?
It has been.
Wow. And tell me a little bit about, I happen to know this because I remember your pitch. And by the way, I have referred Guy and his company several times. I've used them myself. I've referred them to family. I've referred them to friends, and I've referred them to clients.
Which we appreciate.
Yeah, I know you do. Anyway, you used to have a red cloth and a green cloth. Tell us about the cleaning cloths.
So we've always been a fan of microfiber towels.
And why is that?
They do a great job cleaning. Their electrostatic, so they attract dust. They
Hmm.
pull dust from a surface.
Hmm.
They clean well. They can hold 8 times their weight in water, so
Hmm.
they're ultra absorbent.
Hmm.
And so we've just always been a fan of microfiber towels for all the cleaning.
And tell me the difference between the red ones and the green ones.
So green ones are for all parts of the house except the restrooms. Restrooms, we use the red ones.
Okay. All right. And do you actually do the cleaning?
I do not do the cleaning. When I first opened the business, I did some cleaning in the beginning, just
Hmm.
to learn how difficult it was,
Hmm.
learn the different processes of moving around a home and checking out different products and so forth. But that didn't last long.
No. Okay. You decided you're better running the business than actually.
There are people that do cleaning a lot better than I do.
Okay. So what's the process? I refer you to someone and you've never cleaned their house before. What happens next?
So we'll have a conversation with them, talk to them about what they're looking for, the type of property they have. We do commercial cleaning, but primarily residential.
Hmm.
We'll look at the square feet, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the scope of work that they're looking to do. And we'll get them a price on that and get them set up as soon as they want.
Now, I'm a realtor and I have people that leave their homes and they always don't leave them in the best condition.
True.
Do you do cleaning for move out situations?
We do a lot of one-time deep cleans.
Uh-huh.
Those can be for move-ins or move-outs.
Okay.
They can be getting a home ready to list.
Okay.
So we do a lot of that, helping
Mhm.
realtors get the property ready. And then we just do a lot of one-time deep cleans for parties, before or after, guests coming to visit, once a year type stuff.
Mhm. So explain to me what you mean by deep clean.
So a deep clean is something where we're really looking at all aspects of cleaning a room. So we're going to be doing the usual surfaces, floors, obviously a lot of attention on the bathrooms, kitchens anyway, if it were a recurring service, whether we're weekly, biweekly,
Mhm.
or monthly. But
Mhm.
when it comes to a deep clean, we're also looking at things like baseboards, ceiling fans, light fixtures, things that aren't cleaned on a regular service, even if somebody would have a regular cleaning crew coming in.
Mhm. And tell me what makes Mop Stars better than the other cleaning companies.
Well, we'd like to think that we have great client service on the front end and the back end.
Okay.
And on the front end, it's our cleaning crews and the quality of work that they do.
Mhm.
We like to work with teams that take pride in their
Mhm.
work. And then on the back end, that's me.
Okay.
And what I do as far as setting up the service and always being there for clients. They want to make tweaks along the way, or they
Mhm.
have concerns. Either way, I'm always there to answer the phone and help them.
So what's your lead time? Let's say I get a call from someone tomorrow that wants to list their house and I walk through the house and, I notice the first thing is it needs to be cleaned.
Right. So normally we would prefer to have at least a week
Okay.
to get that ready. But there are times where we can move pretty quickly. Sometimes we'll have availability, and we could do even the next day.
Mm-hmm.
Although I wouldn't guarantee that all the time.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So one last thing, Guy. I remember you used to have a tagline for your business. Do you still use that tagline?
Our official tagline, if you look at our the lockup with the logo, is a clean performance.
A clean performance.
And the
Okay.
reason why we created that in the beginning is because if you look at our logo, it's a picture of a cleaner on the name Mop Stars, which looks like a stage.
Right.
And the cleaner is very excited about his or her performance. And so for us, it really is about a clean performance every time we enter a property. But we also like to think that, again, the reason I got into the business, that we might be the only cleaning company you'll ever need.
Now, I love that. Mop Stars, a clean performance. Very clever, very good. How can people find you, Guy?
They can check out our website at mopstars.com, or they can give me a call directly, 720-481-0435.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guys, their service is great. I've used them. My clients have used them. My friends have used them. Call Mop Stars.
Thank you, Lynn.